What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. If you're returning, welcome back. Gearbest is having another big promotion and they're calling it their Goodbye 2017-2018 sale. They've been sending a bunch of models into the channel for unbiased review and also looking for exposure in the form of getting that information about their sales to you guys. Now, you people watching are the most important to me, so I decided to check out this sale and pick out deals for the models that I personally touched and had good experiences with. And so here they are. They're all out on the table here. This here is the Armor 67. Didn't have any problems with this one. This is a really nice flyer for indoors. You guys looking for indoor flyers? This is definitely one to look at. This one here is also a good indoor flyer. Just did a video on brushless indoor flyers and this one topped the list. This one right here I had nothing but good times with. This is the King Kong 110 GT. Definitely one of my favorites to this day still. This is the Furry Bee X215 Pro. And I didn't have any problems whatsoever with this one either. This is a really awesome flyer. This one here is the Furry Bee Toad. And the Furry Bee Toad has been an awesome flyer for me. I did swap out this connector here, but that was really not an issue. I swap out the connectors to all of my micros actually. And as you can see, I have the rocket props on it. These props didn't come stock. I did add these props afterwards, but it was flying nice with the props that it came with. This one, the Furry Bee Dark Max 220, dark and sinister, awesome. And this supports up to a 6S, although I haven't flown it on 6S. There are plenty videos out there on YouTube, I'm pretty sure, of this thing being tested on 5 and 6S. Really awesome looking model, and it flies awesome. And I didn't have any problems out of this one either. This one here is the 90 GT, somewhat of an older model. It did come out this year, I believe, though, the beginning of the year maybe. But this has been a really awesome model for me. The first micro brushless quadcopter that I really fell in love with. Although this one does not have a buzzer, it does not have an OSD, so you know it has to have special flight characteristics in order for me to love it so much to include it. This and the 110 GT, they're both really awesome models. This one flies really nice, really smooth flyer here. And so I still fly this one to this day. This one here has a personal code that you can use. The code is KKET100. And you can get this thing for a fixed price of $117, I think it came to. 117 bucks. Maybe some change on there, but really easy to use the coupon codes. All you do is copy them, and then when you go to the checkout cart, you just paste them in where it says promotional code and hit the apply button. I'll have links in description to all these models if you want to check it out. I'll also have the coupon codes there and maybe links to other models that I find that are good deals. If I find any, I'll leave the links in description along with the coupon codes if I find any. So make sure you check out all the links in description. It's kind of tedious getting all this stuff together for you guys. And thanks for watching.